Picture this. It's a scorching summer day and you hop into your car, eagerly anticipating the refreshing blast of cool air from your trusty air conditioning system. But wait, something's amiss. It's not working. As beads of sweat form on your forehead, you're left wondering, why is my car air conditioning not working? Fear not, fellow road warrior, for we're about to embark on a journey to demystify this chilling predicament. The culprits behind the chilled-out meltdown. Low refrigerant levels. Just like a car needs fuel, your AC system relies on refrigerant to cool the air. Low levels can be attributed to leaks or gradual evaporation over time. Faulty compressor. The heart of your AC system, the compressor, may be struggling due to wear and tear. It's responsible for pressurizing the refrigerant, and any hiccups here can lead to a lack of cooling power. Clogged or blocked condenser. Imagine the condenser as your AC's radiator. If it's clogged with debris or blocked, the heat exchange process is compromised, leaving you with lukewarm air. Frayed or broken belts. Belts power various components in your car, including the AC. If they're damaged, your air conditioning may be left powerless. Faulty electrical components, a malfunctioning blower motor, resistor, or relay can disrupt the airflow, leaving you in a hot, uncomfortable cabin. Mold and mildew. Behind the scenes, mold and mildew can thrive in the moist environment of the AC system, causing unpleasant odors and hindering performance. Solutions to revive the cool factor. Recharge refrigerant. If low refrigerant is the culprit, a professional can recharge the system and check for leaks. Compressor replacement. In the case of a faulty compressor, replacement may be necessary to restore your AC's vitality. Condenser cleaning. Regular maintenance, including cleaning the condenser, ensures optimal heat exchange and prevents blockages. Belt inspection and replacement. Routine checks on belts can help catch issues early, preventing a breakdown in your AC system. Electrical component check. A skilled technician can diagnose and replace faulty electrical components, ensuring your AC functions seamlessly. AC system cleaning. Eliminating mold and mildew involves cleaning and disinfecting the AC system, eradicating unwanted odors and promoting a healthier cabin environment. The quest for a fully functional car air conditioning system need not be shrouded in mystery. Armed with knowledge about potential issues, you can address these challenges head-on and keep your cool, even in the sweltering heat. Remember, a well-maintained AC system is the key to a comfortable and enjoyable drive. Embark on this journey of automotive enlightenment. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Share this guide with your fellow road warriors, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things car care. Let's keep the roads cool and comfortable together.